So we've recently completed this project at Mitchelton, so I'll give you a little tour. This front deck originally just had some 50mm really daggy steel posts here and no balustrading at all. We've ripped all that out and we've replaced it with some timber balustrading. This cross-style balustrading is really effective because there's not too much timber, it's quite affordable to do as well. And yeah, we've stenciled this deck and I've made a separate video showing you the process of how we've done this. So I'll show you through. We kept the original door, just painted it blue. I love painting doors blue. And there's no furniture in here because this is an investment property which will be rented out. So there was originally a big wall all the way through here and the house was very pokey, had kitchen and dining all separated by awkward walls. So we put a massive big 7-metre steel beam in the ceiling and opened it all up. So the kitchen is a kitchen from IKEA. I tend to put IKEA kitchens in all of my investment properties because they're just so affordable and they look so great. But what I always do is I put this custom paneling on the back instead of just the regular boards that IKEA supplies. I just put this trim carpentry on the back to make it look more like a custom kitchen. The bench top is actually not from IKEA. I get my cabinet maker to put bench tops in again just to make it look a little bit less like IKEA. This door was originally over here and we did move it. The reason being is that if we left it there, we would need to work the fridge into the design and the fridge would probably have to be on this back wall because there's no other wall space. And I hate the thought of walking in the front door and looking at an ugly fridge or a fridge cavity where the fridge is meant to go. So by moving the door over, we can leave an empty space here for the fridge, for the tenant to put their own fridge, and then that way we don't have to even consider it into the design and can still get beautiful photos of the fridge. Brand new. There was nothing here. This is a new ensuite that we've added, so it turned it into a 2-bathroom home. And I'll show you that in a minute. But we built this beautiful big barn door here. I love doing barn doors because it's like a beautiful piece of art on the wall, but is also very practical and serves a purpose. So this takes us through into the master bedroom. This was originally just a spare bedroom, and we've made it the master bedroom by adding in the ensuite. Over here, again, this is just all IKEA cabinetry for the road. And we've just filled it all in. We put these panels down the side, again, just to build it in and make it look a little bit more substantial. The ensuite through here, we've used these blue subway tiles in herringbone pattern on the walls. These are from Tile Mob in Mitchelton, and this beautiful vanity and the tapware is from Vanity by Design, and I highly recommend these people. They have beautiful vanities and excellent customer service. The mirror is from Vanity by Design as well. The shower screen is just from Highgrove, and the shower itself is actually from Bunnings. I love these, I use them all the time. The matte black finish, really affordable from Bunnings and great for an investment project. This is the original bathroom. Again, we actually moved the doorway. I think it was over here, and with that configuration, there was just no way to make the layout practical. The shower would have been foul in the window, or something would have had to have been sacrificed. So we moved the door in order just to get a functional bathroom. Again, because it's an investment property, I thought it was important to add a bath in here. The only way to put the bath in was to have a shower over the bath, but it works really quite well. And again, vanity from Vanity by Design, and this mirror is from Reflect Mirrors in Windsor. The wall sconce is from Milton Lighting. And the tiles on the floor, which I really love, again, they're from the Tile Mob at Mitchelton. And this front bedroom is now just the second bedroom. It was originally the master, now it's the second bedroom. And we've just added a little bit of custom carpentry here and there. We actually kept all of the original closets because I'll just be ripping it out and putting one from IKEA that's quite similar anyway. We added all of these trim details just to make it look a little bit nicer, but there's no point in throwing out something that's perfectly functional. And we've kept all of the original doors. Again, there's nothing wrong with all of these. And then back through here again. This is the original door, we kept that as well, but down through here it was really freaky and scary. I can't even remember what it was down here, but it was weird. But we just turned this into just a cute little, very practical laundry, again, from IKEA. I love these little little leather handles that IKEA do now. This bench top is from IKEA. Everything here is from IKEA. Actually, this is some old recycled timber that I found in my shed. Just some spare timber that we just cut up and put on the wall just for some extra open shelving. And over here, there used to be a very funky old shower. It was weird and didn't make sense. So we've gutted that, and this is behind there is that new ensuite that we added. And we had to raise the floor here in order to keep this ensuite at the height of the rest of the house. And in here we've just added just some extra storage, some shelves, just for camping gear or whatnot. So that's a quick tour of the Mitchelton project.